The Constitution says that you can own them. But the government is saying, well, you can own them, but can you buy them? You can own them, but what about the ammunition? You can own them, but maybe we can require you to have background checks. You can own them, but we have to have a registry if you own them. You can own them, but we will heavily tax the companies that manufacture them. You can own them, but we can try to shut down the businesses that provide them to you so that it's more difficult to get them.